everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. For that, open the Zoom application first and get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you're at the home page of Zoom, you will have this option of new meeting, join, schedule, share screen. From there, you tap on the schedule option, tap that. Now you will need to provide the details of your meeting, that is the Zoom meeting. Here you need to type in the meeting details. Below you need to choose the date. Now you need to schedule the date. It is either today, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I'm gonna put the 28th December, tap on set. From then you will need to provide the time period, that is from and the to. So I'm gonna choose the early morning, set to up to the time period. As I've set the time from 10 a.m. so I'm gonna keep the time to 12 and tap on set. That is 2.5 hour meeting. From then you need to choose the time zone. If the time meeting for the Zoom is different or it is an international meeting, you select the time zone from here. There it is. Then you want to repeat this meeting every day, every week, once in a 2 week, or every month or every year. You choose the option according to that. I'm gonna tap the option to the none. After that, you want to use the personal meeting ID or not. Below is for the security. If you need a passcode, here's the passcode that you will need to provide. Enable waiting room. Only user admitted by the host can join the meeting. So here if you tap this and move the toggle, only the users that you have admitted for this meeting will be enabled to join the waiting room. Likewise, below is the meeting option. Host video on, participant video on. Do you want the videos to be on while you are at meeting or not? If you want, you can tap on the toggle and move it or enable the video on method. If you want to add this to the calendar, you can tap on the add to calendar. If not, you can tap on the toggle and switch it off. Once all these settings have been done, you need to save these changes. So tap on done on the top right corner. With that, the meeting details have been registered, or let's say it's saved. So you need to share it or invite it to anyone. You can do this. With that, the meeting details have been saved. So this is how you can schedule a Zoom meeting. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.